How to log in Costco Citi Card online account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in Costco Citi Card online account. So let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and go to citi.com. Once you are in Citi's home page, click on the sign on button in the top right corner. Now you will see the login page. Enter your user ID and password. You can also use passwordless signing option where you can find the QR code. Connect your mobile device to sign in through the QR code. After entering your details, click on the sign on button. And that's it. You are now logged in into your Costco Citi Card online account where you can manage your account, view your statement and make payments. And that's it. And that's it for today. If you find this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks like this. See you on the next video.